Hey y'all, when you first get a Blackstone, you gotta learn how to clean it. You gotta learn how to season it, first thing. Okay, y'all watch, we're gonna do it. Alright y'all, first thing I like to do when I got my Blackstone, I'm gonna squirt water all over it. Needless to say, I've been turning this on already, it's hot. But you got a lot of oil and stuff built up on here. You gotta get it off. Look at that. Alright, now I'm gonna get my paper towel. Get you one of these, you will need it, a scraper. We're gonna wipe everything down good with this. What this does, gets a lot of the stuff off of it. This one's not bad at all. Not bad at all. You notice the color's already changing. All right, we're gonna get this off of here. Throw that in the trash can. Just like your cast iron, you got to do it. You got to season your cast iron, you got to season this. If you don't, stuff's gonna stick, nothing's gonna work. Look at here, y'all. I mean, I've been cooking on griddles for years and years, and this works every time. Thin coat, take this off, sit right here, and we're gonna wait. Don't hurry up and wait, just wait. See all this smoke? That's putting a layer on there. We're just gonna let it smoke a while. Let it stay, keep it on hot. Keep it hot. All right, y'all know I've been doing this a long time. A lot of different people doing it a lot of different ways. Just the way I do it. I find it works best for me. I'm gonna put some more water on it. Bubbling up. That's all right. Watch this. We'll get us some paper towel. I find this sets it in better, makes it a better non-stick surface. Doing it like this. Now somebody might have something better, I don't know. But I've been playing with this a while, and this is what I come up with. All right. We'll get us some more oil, drop on here. Come on, get on here. Y'all, sometimes it don't want to operate right. We're just gonna move it back and forth until it falls. Nice thin layer, let her smoke. Back and forth, nice thin layer, back and forth. Make sure you get it all. You don't want no extra on here. What we're gonna do, I just put a coat on here, we're gonna let it smoke. Let it smoke, it ain't hurting nothing. Leave it on high, you got to have it on high. It's smoking. Once it gets through kind of smoking a little bit, you want that to turn black. See how it's turning black? That's gonna be your surface you're cooking on. And the more you use it, actually, the better it's gonna get. But right now, we're gonna do this another 2, 3, 4 times, whatever you want, you know. I know some people do it 27 times and 2 times to the right and 2 times to the left, but this is the way I'm doing it. In between go-rounds, I will clean it off with water, put more oil, and start over again. The last time you wash it with water, then what I like to take and do is put some olive oil on it. Thin coat like I got here. It's gonna smoke on up. Rub it on good, let it smoke, cut it off, walk away. It's done, it's ready to cook. But hey, y'all need to look on Blackstone's videos and stuff. YouTube, Facebook, all of it. We on that, we got all kind of good recipes. Y'all look it up. I ain't the only cook out there now. Make sure you watch all the episodes. We got good stuff to cook.
Tonight you're cooking with the